It's been 10 years umuntu esemsebenzini. So nje ngihlezi ngiyabuka ijeni yokufika la uthi ngifike ngimncane nginenkani. Over the years ngakhula, the understanding yashintsha, lento yokuthi umuntu unamalungelo yaphela. Understand ukuthi la ngizoseva. Sengiyabuka nje izehlo and challenges umuntu abhekene nayo emsebenzini. Ikhathi inzima umuntu abhekene nazo emsebenzini whereby nithi niphumile ngemonto no-patrol angene i-call emergency entsheni ukuthi there is a robbery in progress kuphi noma ithi kunabantu abaphethe ibhamu kuphi bacela usizo lwamaphoyisa. That moment training has to kick in, and in that moment that is where we drive plus minus 15 minutes uthulekile emotweni. So ingqondo isuke icabanga ukuthi kazi Nkosi la siya khona siyobuya yini, angizokulimala yini, angeze uku-acta yini outside the boundaries of the law. Am I going to take ama-decisions are right in that moment? But ikona konke umcabango nje osuke umkhulu kakhulu ukuthi kazi angizokulimala yini. Uthulu ucabanga ney'ngane, ucabanga nomzali ekhaya ukuthi Nkosi yami ngathi umuntu angalimala, sengathi situation ingangconywana. Fortunately-ke I've had ama-situations whereby siyile khona isimo safika sanzima kakhulu. Kwamele umuntu athathe iy'nqumo khona ey'nzima, kodwa-ke esikubongayo ukuthi kona konke okwenzeka sabuya siphila singalimalanga futhi akulimalanga muntu. Ezinye zey'gaba ezike zenzeka emsebenzini zenzeka in few seconds, kodwa mase kuxoxwa yaphela 20 minutes uxoxa into eyenzeke in 30 seconds. Ngoba uthi mase uyi-narrator uyiqala from niphuma kuze kufike ekugcineni kwayo. Isiphoyisa-ke sinzima ngoba esiphoyiseni uba i-social worker, uba iphoyisa, uba umzali ungemzali, ukududuza abantu abadala kunawe, ubhekane nawe nezimo ezikushiya ngempela umphefumulo wakho ushintshe kakhulu. Kukhona i-accident engake ngayi-attenda nje 2-3 years back. Kwangena i-call ngo-3 ekuseni saya khona. Namhlanje on my left leg kuye kwenzeke ngizwe the grip yalo muntu owayelele, ngizwa iye ngokuya ibaluzi ukuthi useyashona manje. La ngamthethisa khona ngathi mina musukulala wena, vuka uzoba right. Abanye ngike ngihlangana nabo emgwaqweni ngiyababona mina ngoba yonke into eyenzeka khona ngikhumbula kahle. Bashona abantu kuleya ngozi, balimala abantu kuleya ngozi, kodwa abanye baphila, abanye babe nama-injuries ayinzima kakhulu. Iy'nqumo umuntu ayithatha lapha zabaphilisa abantu. Umphakathi wasebenza futhi kakhulu lapha. Lento eliqiniso ngempela ukuthi ukubambisana komphakathi namaphoyisa kudlala indima enkulu kakhulu kumsebenzi esiwenzayo. So nje isiphoyisa akusiwo nje umsebenzi oza kuwo ngoba ufuna imali, ngoba kuningi obhekana nakho. Isiphoyisa siyakushintsha. Isiphoyisa sikushiya ingqondo isangana at times. Isiphoyisa sikushiya uba khona ikhathi la khona othi you are proud of yourself or of umsebenzi owenzile. Kuba khona ikhathi la khona ofisa khona ngisho ukushiya phansi. Kuba khona ikhathi la khona ongabafuni sidala abaphathi ubazonda. kuba khona ikhathi la khona obancoma khona abaphathi ubonga ubukhona babo. And ubathiwa ngempela siholwa abantu aba-emotionally ngabe mosithi semakhaya ngabe umsebenzi awusekho ngoba 80 times kuyonakala ngendlela yokuthi amaphutha enzeka kusemsebenzini awenzeki kusekhaya kungewona amaphutha asuke efaka impilo yomuntu engcupheni kodwa kungamaphutha ukuthi ayibongamele wenze kanje ukwenza kanje yabona ukuthi ucishe wamosha izinto. So kuyasiza nokuthi-ke siholwa abantu with experience kulo msebenzi sibona ngoba endleleni ngempela uyakhula uyafunda ebantwini abangaphambi kwakho nokuba more exposed kuma-situations ikona ukukhulisa kakhulu okwenza ukuthi ngisho izimo zinzima ufike nesixazululo esiyilamula yimpi. Sake sathi nje ilanga si-attendile si-out of i-area yami sahlangana ne-situation whereby zibabili abantu babanga kwakuyihlathi selivoniwe so kukhona abalayishile kwakhona bazo-hijack i-truck endleleni bathi ihlathi elabo. Sakwazi ukuyibamba lento leyo sayilamula nje ngendlela eyabalula kakhulu. Athi efika amaphoyisa endawo obezile i-solution sasiyikhiphile ngoba ngavela ngathi mina okungcono ngoba kunombango khona i-truck alibuyele emuva lihambele e-police station liyopaka khona kuzoyiwe e-court yona ezodecide. Konke amasayidi avumelana nalokho ngoba omunye wayenamaphepha omunye engenawo amaphepha ethi ihlathi elakhe lona amaphepha wayenikezwe abanikazi ngqo behlathi ukuthi umsebenzi engawenza. Yabo ubathiwa umuntu owakwazi ukuphamisa umoya lapha nokulwa we couldn't fight abantu bebaningi kanje abanye bephethe ibhamu ngoba umuntu uyacanja isibhamu noma semthethweni usenzisa noma kanjani kanti akunjalo. Ngiye ngithi mina abantu mhla namalanga bashaya abantu la bakwazi abantu yini bekuliwe ngithi mina bathi silona abantu thina njalo awenzi ethu sesikhipha isibhamu sadubula abantu ngoba thubela noma ubengithuka noma ubengihubha ngenduku yini na i-training sayinikezwayo plus i-support esiyitholile ey'membeni esiyificile ey'ndala nokufunda-ke nje uthule uma kwenzeka izinto phambi kwakho ubona ukuthi lokhu ku-right lokhu ku-wrong akwenziwa nje. So kulo 10 years umuntu esekona kuningi engikufundile luningi ushintsho olukhona kumina maningi ama-complaints umuntu asedilini nawo awakwazi ukuwaxazulula. Ziningi izimo la umuntu abhekane nazo especially ey'thinta ukufa kwabantu ukulandwa kwabantu sebeshonile umuntu esonakele umuntu omuke nomfula oyile engesile kugujwa ama-infant kodwa ugcina kunosuku ubone ukuthi uma umuntu okwazi ukuyibona yena ubone ukuthi lesi simo sangilimaza lesi angeke ngizame usitholela usizo. Isiphoyisa asikho silula isiphoyisa naye isiphoyisa asikho lula iwona msebenzi lo engikholwa ukuthi kubathiwa uyenzeka i-training yakhona ngaba iney'gaba ey'ningi usuphumile ekholeji mhlawumbe fangabe kukhona u-attend wa-paramedic ngaphandle ube certified ngoba kuwona wonke ama-situations akhona uqhamuka inyuka kubizwa iphoyisa kuba khona i-accident abantu yokuqala abayicabangayo bacabanga amaphoyisa kushiya indlu kucatshangwa amaphoyisa kulwa iy'ngane esikoleni amaphoyisa umphakathi amaphoyisa domestic violence issues amaphoyisa family issues amaphoyisa even where there is no criminality amaphoyisa athe nje ukuthi they'll always give a positive direction. So to each and every member that you are serving with under the emblem of SAPS, we have seen the light this year, even this year. Let us do better. Let us serve our communities with pride and dignity. Let us excel in serving our communities because the very same service that we provide to the communities, it's the very same service that our families has to receive. So, 2026, ngifisela ukuhle kodwa Men and Women in Blue.
A warm welcome to Ulwazi Nezindaba. Maye uyachaza bhuti weliphoyisa ukuthi kunzima phela kuba liphoyisa ngoba nabo phela bahlangabetana netimo leti balimata ingcondo. So it's important ukuthi after leso simo leso batfole phela professional help and go through your counseling. Upenze futhi uyasho ukuthi letinye isikhathi bayatholakala baba in situations la khona bangadi ukuthi are they going to make it, are they going to be able to return back home to their families, because we have seen ebantfu labasesiphoyiseni balahlekelwa timpilo tabo in the line of duty. Upenze futhi ibhuti uyagcizelela tuke bantu labasesiphoyiseni umuntu that took an oath to serve the community kokuthi let them try to do right, ngoba guys ngetinye isikhathi sigcine sesikhipha amagama ukuthi amaphoyisa awasebenzi ngoba vele kunebantu guys ngathi labanye bakhona nje sebalaphaya ngoba naku imisebenzi kude kodwa abatimiselanga phela ngokuthi bancede bantu ngendlela lefanele. So bhuti nje is really emphasizing on that kokuthi kubalekile ngoba at the end of the day nemuntu wakini naye phela makadzinga lincedo utawuhamba aye police station. Ayikho i-police station that is designed for ukuthi le especially ngoba wena nawe unemuntu wakini loliphoyisa, sonke sisebenzisa ama services lafanako.